I would suggest them that you have a lot of time, abundance of time. So you can prepare much better than the school students who are going to also to school, much better GK. So prepare very good notes, prepare daily GK, read to the newspaper daily, ensure. There is an All India Radio News at 9 p.m. News on Air is the app. There is a podcast also in case you miss at 9 p.m. Then 9 p.m. the news comes for 15 minutes and it covers the whole day. Like say for example today. Today, if you hear at 9 p.m., you'll be able to collect everything whatever happened today. Next day. And the good thing is it's a government one. And incidentally, they all ask about the government schemes and everything. So they'll keep talking about the government, and they will praise a lot. But no matter, I mean, for us, for CLAT people, it is actually good because they'll be asking you mostly the government thing. And they do cover. The English is very good. It's Indian is English. The news readers are trained well. Your English will improve. I mean, pronunciation is not required. A good speaking is not right now the agenda, but still a better English can be there for your reading comprehension ability, and reading skills will improve because listening is also very important. So that way also you're getting benefited. Secondly, some news apps can be there, which keeps you keep updating about the news. And the next day, when you read the newspaper, you'll be again repeating most of the things. So that will be another repetition. And then after that, you can prepare some daily notes, because GK, try to make it as your biggest weapon. And because you have more time than others. So this can be done. The rest is you can practice more because you have more time than others. You can take a lot of tests. And assuming that you have already done quite well in the last CLAT paper and you missed out by some fair margin, then you have another advantage that do practice. As I was speaking, that try to simulate a situation, even if you're taking a smaller test. Like say for instance, you want to practice reading comprehension. Take around, say maybe if you're taking for 1 hour, there should be at least 8, 10 or 12 reading comprehension depending upon the difficulty level. Say your ability is to take say 6 attempts or 7 attempts, take more than that. The reason is in CLAT you can't attempt all the questions. So the mantra is that learn how to select or reject a question. That the main competitiveness lies there. Often a lot of students do a mistake of attempting right from the first one and they start from the serial wise. That is not the requirement. Sometimes you can quit a question if the passage is relatively tougher, time consuming. So this also you need to learn during the test taking. Not only the mock test, even in a section test when you're create such a test which has more questions than your ability, so that you can learn how to filter out easier questions. So I would advise these people to focus a lot on GK as well as a lot of practice, because I am assuming that these people have already clarified the concept and they can create a lot of advantage over others.